How you doing? I'm Uncle Dan, and welcome to Sporting Drives in Colorado. I just got back from the Cruise Above the Clouds car show, and man, I am maxed out. You might think, what kind of car show you gonna have in a little podunk town like that, Uncle Dan? Well, you really have to see it. It's just mind-blowing how big and how intricate the museum pieces are there. Just amazing show. Anyway, you're about to see it if you stay on, because that's what this episode's all about. Oh my goodness, now look what we have over here. Now the owner of this must be one brilliant person. There's just probably a very handsome man. Psst. It's the stinger bug. While we're here, we might as well show it off a little bit. Might as well give you a little rundown here. This 2020 Amex 5 Club. Two-liter inline four-cylinder, dual overhead cam, direct fuel injection. .185 horsepower, 151 foot-pounds of torque, connected up to a 6-speed close ratio gearbox with a variable limited slip rear end. Have to clean the engine like most people do. This has never been cleaned under here. 4 years old. I live on a dirt road. And you know, people wonder if it's a real car. You can tell by that right there. Over here though, check this out. Sweet looking 29, all original. Look at that. That's Corvette. What is it, 69? Yeah, 69. Cruise Above the Clouds. It's a big car show. Some very impressive cars. We're going to come over here and look at my neighbor's Bel Air. How about that? Did you say that it was a 350 Sheldon?
Yeah.
Nice. That is nice.
Now you can see the gold medal like.
Yeah, you can see it now. Boy, that shines right up. That is some smooth body work.
Yeah. That's all the original chrome.
Yeah.
All we had to do was buff it out because back then they used stainless steel.
Right. That's really nice.
Thank you.
Take a look at this sweetheart. Plymouth. Like a flathead. Flathead 6. And that is how they used to do them. Now that was a nice model. It's a radio. Look how smooth that body is. That's just sweet.
I only got one, well, 2 keys, because one's my gas key.
See, I'm kind of the same way. Especially these pants, they like when I'm sitting in that chair.
Yeah.
They like to fall on.
You don't see many of these. You didn't see many of these when they were new. Fastback Galaxy. I'm not sure what model that is. I'm getting old. I think it's a 67, 68, 67. This is a real sweetheart here. What year is this? 32?
29.
29. Okay, I'm just guessing. That is really nice. It had a little bit of a modernization done to it. Not a lot. And we have a 1970 Torino Cobra. Thought it was a GT at first. I don't know what kind of monstrosity that is they got under the hood. That looks pretty serious.
They were on one motor, low 12.
Smooth body work.
I'm building a 37 Chevy. I just bought a motor.
If you did want to talk to my husband, he'll be back in about 5 minutes.
So it'll be probably the 041 or the 460. Oh, they're 186.
That's definitely never been in one of our hailstorms. Check out this sweetheart. Always been a sucker for this generation, the Firebird. Man, that's got some nice body work on it. Look at that. No.
Is it heavy blue?
Couple of nice looking Mustangs. I'm assuming they're both 65s. Not a lot of 64 and a halfs around. I can usually tell the difference between a 65 and 64, and I don't know how it is. But that's kind of crazy. Yeah. Oh my goodness, we got some nice looking hot rods over here. Again, this is the Cruise Above the Clouds car show here in tiny little Woodland Park, Colorado.
I won't do any of that.
Just go fix it.
We got a nice view of Pikes Peak over here. Tava. What year is it?
40.
40? Man, that is nice.
Thank you.
That is really nice. Excuse me. Let's see. Man, that must be fun to detail out, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it takes a while.
Sneak behind you.
That is really pretty. There's not a dimple on that thing, is there?
No, not too many.
That's- Nice job. And we have an old timer kept in good shape. Yeah, remember I mentioned that the RS Camaros were pretty rare, right? Here's another one. I believe this is a 67. It's got to be a 67. I can't be that wrong.
See, it's
How you
spring.
doing?
Hey,
Go hunting.
nice. Is it all original? I mean, surely it's been repainted, right?
Yeah, it's what they call an off-chassis rebuild.
Okay.
Everything's original. It's in it.
Yeah, the interior looks quite original.
There's a bench
So-
seat for the front seat. And it's
Yeah.
only 6,500 made.
Yeah.
This
This
is
is-
67 with a 327 with a 3-speed.
Yeah.
And this is the color that the first 67 Camaro was.
Right. Right.
Not gold.
I saw that. Just boom.
Yeah.
And of course, the first one's sitting in GM's big garage.
Right. Right.
They always took the first one.
That's really nice.
That's their debut.
It's
Yeah.
new to the family.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
First car show.
I'm doing my first show
Are you?
right now too.
Alright, what do you
I've
got?
had show cars, but just never been in.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you have?
Right now, I've got a 2020 MX-5 Miata.
Okay.
It's,
Wow.
it's
Go around corners with it fast?
oh yeah, yeah, and it goes uphill fast too.
Oh.
It's they're not known for being fast cars,
Yeah.
but up here at this altitude, going up steep hills, it'll keep up with anything.
Yeah, you bet. Well, you know.
Bad boy parked here.
I gotta see Gary. I just didn't make it over there. I just ran out of time. And I didn't
I guess that's a 1967, if I remember right.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And over here, there's just cars parked all around this place. It's incredible. Yeah, 62 Corvette, 61. They used to could give you the year to date on every one of these cars out here, but that was just a long time ago. Not crazy about the color on this one, but good lord, that is nice. No, I've always been a sucker for the real four-wheel drives. There's nice Willys pickup. Of course, if I had one, it wouldn't stay nice like that for very long. But again, here we are with my favorite generation of Firebird. Let me look and see if I can tell you what year it is without That is a 69. 69. Okay, let's have a look at what's sitting next to the Firebird here, shall we? I'm just amazed to see him like this. Been around this long, and you can get down and look in the sunshine reflection and not see a single dimple in it. It's just incredible. We'll get over here and check. Like I said, I used to could tell you the date of every car. It's a 67. Boy, I had that wrong. And here's a cruise machine. 1970 Marquis. This one is clearly all original, very good condition. Now here is a real museum piece. Look at that. Here we have a nasty outlaw. I used to have one of these. In green. 1969 here. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. That's a nice paint job. Wow. Anyway, got distracted. I could tell you, when I had mine, there was never a coyote ever caught up with me. Actually, that's a 1968. This is a doll. Look at that. That is just unreal. This is a nice one. Get the air conditioner. How cool is that? 33 Plymouth. Now I know a lot of y'all are wanting to look at this boss over here. Probably the first model of Mustang that actually handled. Holy crap, look at that.
That's an itty bitty little thing.
Yeah. It's a GoPro.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
I guess this was yours. You know, you just couldn't resist. Wiping it down.
Random guy.
That's how I am, you know. I might walk by one of these and start, you know, wiping it down. Pick a speck off of it, you know. That's nice. What is that?
34.
34, okay.
Built it for an old neighbor, but he supplied all the money and I did all the work, so I bought it from him before he passed away.
That's really nice. Sunbeam. That's nice.
Thank you very much.
That's really nice.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, right
No,
here.
you're all right. You're just fine. We're all here to look.
First series.
No, I've never seen that. Nice car. Love it.
That's all original, isn't it?
What's that?
It's all original, isn't it?
Well, it's been repainted.
Okay. The interior, though, is
No, I had to have that done too.
really?
This thing was a basket case when I found it. It was almost going to the junkyard.
Wow.
And I've had it for 30 years, so I've had
Wow.
lots of time to do things to it.
Yeah. Man, it looks really good. It's a nice job.
Engine rebuilt. Vashholtz rebuilt the engine for me.
Yeah.
It's got the original transmission engine. Serial numbers match the body.
Cool.
But I have a few little accessories on the engine. It's not original.
That's really nice. You like Camaros? Plenty of them here. Look at this.
Pick and choose what you're going to spend your money on. Some of these cars, I mean, a lot of older ones, of course.
It's a 1969 Super Sport. What is it, 68, 67?
Yeah.
This was an RS though. It's got the manual gearbox. And I guess this is a 69. My personal favorite Camaro has always been the 67. So you can probably tell I really dig the classics. I'm mostly up on 50s, 60s, 70 models. That doesn't mean I don't totally love the ones like this. It just means I'm not familiar with them.
Richard's 57.
Yeah, I know, it's old.
Sweet ride. That is really nice. No, I'd have to hand mine over to a museum to keep it looking this good. Every time I look at mine, it's like, well, there's a new scratch.
Yeah, yeah.
That's really sweet. Nice job.
Well, I don't know if it's original, but
Yeah.
Anyway, we're just strolling along down the drive. This is a few of the cars that are here. Just a few. We're gonna walk over here and look at this. Or these.
Hi there.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Boy, that's nice.
Think got a Hemi in it?
Yeah, got that Hemi. Oh yeah. That is nice. You see, you can spot a car you want to go look at and get totally distracted by the one next to it. I actually came over here to look at this one. Little Ford. And it's for sale if you're interested. Alright, you know, I'll walk by it. We're going to walk back and take a look at it. And we got a nice little hot rod. Now, I've seen this one before. The sweetie.
Back in the 40s, everybody's moms.
This was going to be wide if we could get the body work done. The doors in the bedroom and that did it.
Well, here's a little special. Not just the GT, but the GTCS, the California Special. I think I've seen one of these before. Long, long ago. They sure didn't make many of them. And over here, the Firebird. HO, they didn't make a lot of these either.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Now here we have 69. I'm sure this is a 69. It might. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. 69 Super Sport. And I believe those are the original rims on there. I didn't really show you this GTO. 67? Do you know me? I don't recognize you. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't. You must know me. But I don't recognize you.
Yeah. What's going on over there? Is there enough there over there? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, well, we'll talk to you later. Alright, bye-bye.